Every morning, millions of people around the world start their day with an omelette. But have you ever wondered, how do frozen food companies produce millions of perfectly cooked omelettes that taste just like homemade ones? Today, we're going behind the factory doors to see how massive industrial machines turn fresh eggs into frozen, ready-to-eat omelettes at incredible speed and precision. It all begins at commercial poultry farms, where millions of eggs are collected daily. These eggs are transported to the processing facility within hours to maintain freshness. Every single egg passes through a candling system, where bright lights detect cracks or impurities. Damaged eggs are automatically removed, while the best quality ones move forward to the next stage. Here, a sophisticated egg-breaking machine takes over. This device can crack and separate up to 150,000 eggs per hour, far faster and cleaner than human hands. The machine separates egg whites and yolks precisely, ensuring perfect ratios for different omelet recipes. Some are mixed with milk, cheese powder, or seasonings, depending on the desired flavor. Next, the liquid eggs are transferred into massive homogenization tanks. Here, high-speed mixers whip the eggs into a consistent texture, smooth, foamy, and ready for cooking. Temperature-controlled blending ensures that the mixture stays safe and bacteria-free before cooking. Now, it's time to cook. The liquid egg mixture is poured onto a continuously moving stainless steel belt, lightly oiled by sprayers. Giant thermal tunnels apply precise heat from above and below, cooking the eggs evenly into soft omelet sheets. Within seconds, the liquid transforms into a golden, tender omelet, perfectly uniform. For filled omelettes, ingredients like sautéed bell peppers, mushrooms, spinach, or cheese are automatically dispensed by precision filling machines. Robotic arms then fold the omelet in half, suitem, oboticon sobio, just like a chef would, but thousands of times per hour. Every fold is identical, ensuring consistency across millions of products. Freshly cooked omelettes must be cooled fast to lock in flavor and texture. They pass through a spiral blast chiller, which quickly brings the temperature down from hot to near freezing within minutes. Then, they enter IQF, individual quick freezing tunnels, where temperatures reach as low as 40 degrees C. This process freezes omelettes separately, preventing them from sticking together and preserving their fluffy structure. Once frozen solid, the omelettes move to the automated packaging line. Robotic sorters count, arrange, and seal them in airtight pouches or trays. Each pack is vacuum sealed, labeled with nutritional info, and stamped with a date code, ready for shipping. From here they're sent to supermarkets, hotels, and airline caterers around the world. Inside massive cold storage warehouses, temperatures are carefully maintained to keep every omelet fresh for months. Frozen food trucks, equipped with temperature tracking systems, distribute the products globally, ensuring they arrive just as perfect as when they left the factory. In just minutes, these frozen omelettes are ready to serve, whether in a hotel breakfast buffet, an airline meal, or your own kitchen. Behind every bite is a symphony of machines, technology, and food science, working together to recreate the taste of a homemade breakfast. At industrial scale. From farms to factories, and from technology to taste, this is how frozen food giants make millions of omelettes every single day, a modern marvel of automation, precision, and culinary engineering.